day, Wildcats, and welcome to today, Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Today, I have three pledgers from Ms. Garza's third grade classroom, and their names are
Martin, Alexa, Jaslyn.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and we'll go ahead and start our pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now our Texas pledge.
I honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos.
Juro levantar
Bandera de los Estados Unidos
en república
que representa una nación ante Dios.
con libertad y justicia para todos.
Y ahora la promesa de la bandera de Texas.
Una bandera de Texas.
Prometo fidelidad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? And as you reflect on your moment of silence, I do want you to go ahead and make sure that today you do give all of our cafeteria workers a big thank you. They do an amazing job each morning making sure you get breakfast, and in the afternoons making sure you get lunch. So if you get a chance today, make sure you give them a big thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. We are also in no place for hate school, so today my three pledgers are going to read the pledge for you.
I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be a part of making my school no place for hate.
Great job. Today we have no birthday, so happy unbirthday to you. We have a couple of announcements. Today we have our Grinch Tuesday. I love seeing all of your green shirts and sweaters and jackets. You're doing a great job. Staff, do not forget about your lunch and learn. First grade, you have a math unit test. Second through fifth grade, you have a reading unit test. Tomorrow we shine bright on Wednesday, so you're going to wear sparkling or blinking accessories. And that means it could be on your head, it could be around your neck, it could be around your wrist, whatever you have. And then also Brighter Bites is being distributed tomorrow. All right, the character education themes for the month of December are honesty and integrity. Goodness is about character, integrity, honesty, kindness, generosity, moral courage, and the like. More than anything else, it is about how we treat other people. These are words of wisdom from Dennis Prager. How you treat other people determines if you indeed have good character. So it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Mosh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today and every day you choose to make it a terrific, fantastic Tuesday.